So before starting the chapter number 2, which is about quadratic equations, let's learn basic information about quadratic equation. In an equation, the equation that can be written in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 means we should have the value of x, which is a, means any number. Here we should place any number, and the degree of this equation should be 2. Then we have the variable x again with linear power, and then we have a constant number and then equal to 0. It is an equation, and the condition is that a should not be equal to 0. A should be any number. So we can say that equation like this have a degree of 2, as I discussed earlier. Since the greatest exponent of the variable is 2, so we have greater exponent in this equation, and the variable x has 2 exponent. We observe that this equation, a quadratic equation, only has one variable and all the exponent are positive. Okay, we have only one variable, which is x, and all the exponent, like this exponent is 2, which is in positive form, and here we have 1, which is positive. So this is basic definition and basic introduction of quadratic equation. Now let's understand about the standard quadratic equation. So any equation which is written in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is, we can say that it is in the form of standard form of quadratic equation. In one variable x, it means we should have only one variable in this equation, like we have x, only one variable in this equation. So the equation x square plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0 is in the standard form. It is purely in the standard form. So another equation like x plus 1 whole square equal to 4 and x square plus 3x equal to 18, these are the example of quadratic equation, because these also have only one variable, which is x, but they are not in standard form, because the pure standard form should be written in this form. Like we should have x squared, then we have the linear x, and then we should have a constant value proceeding equal to 0. So it's all about the basic introduction of quadratic equations and the standard quadratic equation. So now we will start the chapter number 2 for solving the quadratic equation. And please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.